President Trump delivering a message of unity during his first State of the Union address last night.
Only silence.
A CBS News poll shows 3 out of 4 Americans who saw the speech approve of the president's message. 8 in 10 Americans who watched say they believe Mr. Trump was trying to unite the country rather than divide it.
That was President Trump striking a unifying tone in his State of the Union address, calling on both parties to work together on major issues.
You know what? He started the speech by telling some unbelievable personal stories of people who were in the gallery.
Very strong speech, Jake. He said he wanted to unify the country with this speech.
The independents were very strong for the president's speech. That's where I think one of you said elections are decided right there.
Senator Lindsey Graham liked the speech. He says it was a strong speech emphasizing America is open for business and going on the offense when it comes to crime and terrorism. I'm very pleased President Trump is empowering our military and putting our enemies on notice.
The president did what he said he was going to do. It was optimistic, it was bright, it was conciliatory. In terms of what he had to do, I think he did it.